Hello beauties, let's blow dry your hair today in less than 10 minutes. Step 1. Be sure to gently detangle your hair from the ends to the top. Step 2. Split all your hair and place it in the front. Step 3. Take your Blowout Brush G&C and turn it on in low mode. Step 4. Start brushing your hair to remove excess water. Step 5. Start drying your hair. Since your hair doesn't have much water in, set your brush in high temperature and brush your hair from the back to the front. Start from the roots and slowly work your way down. While brushing your hair, turn the brush slightly inwards and keep pulling downwards. Repeat the same process until your hair is dry. I'm gonna explain you 2 different ways to take your G&C blowout brush. The first way is with your 2 hands in the body of the brush. Repeat the same movement that I mentioned before. The second way to hold your brush is with 1 hand on the top of the head and the other hand in the body of the brush. Both ways work exactly the same. Just use the way you are more comfortable with. Remember that the head of our blowout brush is big enough to take thick pieces of hair, so this is gonna save you a lot of time. Just continue brushing all your hair until everything is dry. But what about the back part? We are going to do the same. Just brush your hair, pull down, and roll a little bit your brush inside and repeat the same movement until you get the results. Step 6. To give your fringe more volume, place the brush in the middle of your head and start brushing forward. Brush around the top and underneath. Look at this is super natural volume, not using mousse or hairspray. Step 7. Let's finish with the ends to close them up and give them the movement that we like so much. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do it. In this side, just take the brush facing up and just pull down while you are rolling. In the other side, just take your hair and twist the brush inwards to shape your hair slowly until you get the result. Remember to use the techniques that you feel more comfortable with, and that's how I blow dry my hair in less than 10 minutes with volume, super beautiful, and not using other tools. I hope you like it.